Sir, would you like some water?
I heard that stuff's pretty risky, man.
Listen, it ain't as bad as they say. The media just likes to exaggerate the water.
I don't know, man. My dad's uncle friend knew a dude who got addicted to that stuff. It was pretty bad.
I think you need to stop being a pussy for like 1 second.
I mean, that's good.
I promise you will not regret this. One try? What's it gonna do? Ruin your life? I don't think so. Blah, 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 blah.
Yeah, I'll give it a go just one time, though. But I'm like, yeah, I won't do it again. You know, it's just not.
See, it's all about your choice. It's your choice. We're definitely we're not giving you a product that you'll get addicted to and keep buying from us because we're the only people that sell it.
Yeah, sounds pretty good. Friend!
You get a discount for your first try. Hey, what the fuck?
It's just my first try, man. It's not a big. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal.
Listen, this shit. You think this is funny, dude? I can't have my roommate doing this. Dude,
it's not a big deal, man.
What if the cops find out that you're doing this, huh? Huh?
They don't really care about users. It's sellers. It's sellers.
Listen. This stuff is bad. Okay?
It's fine. It's fine. It's nothing wrong. It's just a little water.
No. Put it down.
The George Washington drank water. He grew water. He grew water. He wrote about it in his things.
Yeah, those are ways of the past before they knew any better. But the thing is, that could ruin your life right there. You want to die? You want to drown? You want to drown in the air?
You know what? It's all bull, man. It's all bull. It's just the media. It ain't a big deal.
Who told you this?
Look, it's not a big deal.
Hey! Who's telling you? Who's telling you this? Who's telling you this?
My man. Just don't worry. It's just one try. One try, man. One try.
I care about you.
It's just one man. Just give it up.
I don't want to have to kick you out.
Okay. You know what? I won't do it. I'll dispose of this. I'll dispose of it. You know, you can trust me. My word, man. My word. Handshake.
Yeah? Do it. Back up. So this is day one of me investigating my friend. So I want to see if he's really trying water. Like, I want him to stop, but I'm not sure. He's been stealing from me. I've noticed unnatural behaviors. I've noticed moisture on his body. So I'm going to go check out what's going on. What the fuck? Hey!
I'm sorry.
You are a piece of shit. Get out of my house. Pack your stuff and leave.
I'm sorry.
You should be ashamed of yourself.
I'm sorry.
Disgusting.
I didn't know. I thought it was just one time, man.
I said leave. I also want my rainbow socks back. I know you stole them. Yeah, walk. Feel ashamed. We don't associate with those people, son. Take the change back. Take it back.
You stole my mug too.